Hi traders, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix missing historical data on MT4 or MT5. Okay, sometimes traders notice that their MT4 or MT5 charts do not show enough past price data. This may make it difficult to analyze long-term trends or review previous market behavior. Fortunately, there are several ways to fix missing historical data. First of all, you can just try refreshing your chart. Start by refreshing the chart. Just right click anywhere on the chart and select refresh. This allows the platform to reload available data from the server. Step 2 is to scroll back to load more data. Okay, you can also use scroll back. I'm just going to remove this. Scroll back on the chart using your mouse or your keyboard. As you scroll further into the past, the platform may automatically load additional historical data. All right. The third step is to download data from the history center. Okay. So if the chart still shows limited data after you've tried the first two steps, after you've refreshed your chart and tried to scroll back, as far as you can, if you've tried those, the third step is going to be to download your data from the history center. So you just press F2 on your keyboard to open the history center. Okay, select the instrument that you want. All right. Okay, so okay, I think I'm going to go to MT4. I don't know why this MT5 is currently refusing to show me my history center. All right. So when you go to your history center, ensure that you select the instruments that you want, choose the time frame. All right. Then you click on download. Okay. I click on OK. So this allows the platform to retrieve more historical price data. Okay. Now you can also adjust your chart history settings, increase the amount of data the platform stores. Just click on tools, you go to options, you go to your chart tab, increase the maximum bars in history and maximum bars in chart. Right, you can actually decide to increase that. Okay, click on OK. All right, so this allows more historical data to appear on your charts. Okay, so a quick recap for you to fix missing historical data in MT4 or MT5. First of all, try refreshing your chart and then scroll back to load additional data. If that doesn't work, try downloading your data from history center, right? And then finally, you can increase your chart history settings. So these steps help ensure that your charts display more complete historical price information. Thank you for watching. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your notifications as well so you don't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. Stay profitable. Cheers. See you in the next one.